The U.S. Pacific Command has detected a missile threat to Hawaii. A missile may impact on land or sea within minutes. This is not a drill. If you are indoors, stay indoors. If you are outdoors, seek immediate shelter in a building. Remain indoors well away from windows. If you are driving, pull safely to the side of the road and seek shelter in a building or lay on the floor. We will announce when the threat has ended. This is not a drill. Take immediate action measures.
KHPR. A nuclear bomb was dropped on Honolulu just moments ago. President Donald Trump has not made an announcement yet. However, he is expected to make one over all stations shortly. The perpetrators of the attack was North Korea, and a mass invasion of North Korea is currently taking place by U.S., Japanese, and South Korean troops. NATO troops are en route to assist. We will be doing updates on the top of each hour, and we will return to you at 9 a.m. This is KHPR, and we will be going off the air until 9 a.m. God bless Hawaii.
Taking the family up to the lake for the weekend, but without the white knuckles this time. Because his new 2018 Ford F-150 has bliss with trailer coverage. It's Brainiacs.
Please stand by for a message from the President of the United States.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States. Good afternoon, everyone. A nuclear bomb has been dropped on the city of Honolulu, damaging our Pacific Fleet. At this time, a land invasion of North Korea, the perpetrators of the attack, is currently taking place. Many casualties have occurred in Hawaii today. However, we will recover as one nation, under God. As for those currently listening in Hawaii, wait at least 14 days before you venture outside again. Fallout is currently spread across the entire state and areas of the ocean. You may leave your homes when an all clear is given over the emergency alert system. Thank you. That was a message from the President of the United States. We will now return you to the emergency alert system.
This is WRAIL, and we will continue to serve the Raleigh area.
Welcome back to our hourly update, where we have learned we are the only operating station on the entire island of Oahu. The FCC has given us a temporary frequency boost so we cover the entire state of Hawaii. Rumors of a possible evacuation effort have been spreading due to reports of FEMA setting up checkpoints at the Kapolei Airport in Kapolei. This is unconfirmed at this time, so do not travel unless told so over the emergency alert system or any other official. Speaking of which, we are now getting a message from the emergency alert system. Please stand by. This is KHPR. Please stand by.
The following message is requested by the Federal Emergency Management Agency. At noon Hawaii Standard Time, an evacuation of the island of Oahu will be attempted for survivors. The evacuation will be by plane, and you will be flown from Kapolei Airport to San Diego, California to a temporary shelter. More information will be provided at the airport. Only travel to the airport if it is safe to do so. If you can safely travel to the Kapolei Airport, do so. If not, stay in your shelter. Make sure all of your skin is covered before you travel outside due to fallout. Only 500 people can travel off the island due to size limitations. Stay tuned to KHPR for more information.
But if I die tomorrow, I'ma die doing me. I stand 10 toes down. AK-47 with 100 rounds. Bullet cases hit the ground.
The following message is requested by the United States government. After a short battle with North Korea, we have overthrown North Korea. However, the state of Hawaii still has fallout. Evacuation attempts have been made, and all have succeeded so far. This is the emergency alert system. All broadcast and cable stations shall transmit this message. This is WQUE, and we will continue to serve the New Orleans area. If this is not your local area, please tune to a station serving your local area.
It has now been 2 weeks after Honolulu was bombed, and we are awaiting the all-clear from authorities. We don't know how long it will be. We have no information from anything on the mainland. However, we are being told supplies are being gathered to help us recover and rebuild. Oh, we have a new emergency alert coming through the wire. Please stand by.
All clear. The following message is requested by the United States government. The fallout is cleared, and it is safe to leave your homes. This concludes operations of the emergency alert system. All stations will now resume regular programming. Your government thanks you for your cooperation.